Welcome back, everyone. We love that fresh produce that we can get this time of the year, but do you need to handle these items carefully? The answer is yes, and it's important to wash fruits and vegetables to avoid Cyclospora, which is spreading across the country this summer.
Tami Lawrence is a clinical dietitian with Trinity Mother Francis. She joins us in the living room to tell us more about this. Good morning.
Hi. Now, will you tell us a little bit more about Cyclospora and how it spreads for people who are maybe not aware of it?
Yes, it is. It can be contaminated. It can be passed through fresh produce, fruits and vegetables. It's passed through feces normally, and then that gets into the water supply, and then it can contaminate the produce.
What are some things that we can do to make sure that we do not, get in contact with Cyclospora?
Yeah, mostly it's coming from other countries, tropical countries, but we are getting a lot of those fruits and vegetables imported. So it's very important that we do wash our vegetables and fruits very thoroughly with water or a vegetable wash. Some people can even use vinegar and water diluted to wash the fruits and vegetables. That's going to be our best defense.
Now, is there a certain amount of time that we need to wash them?
I would say just to wash until you see all of the visible soil removed, especially on lettuce, berries. Those tend to hold some of the bacteria the longest, and they're a little bit harder to clean. So probably 1 to 2 minutes, just thoroughly washing.
Now, what if we have contracted the virus, and what are some of the signs that we'd see?
The main thing is going to be first nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, bloating, lack of appetite, weight loss. This can go on for days. It can even last for weeks. But as soon as these symptoms occur, one should go to their healthcare provider, and then appropriate testing can be done, laboratory testing, to determine if it is in fact cyclosporin, and then the appropriate antibiotics given for treatment.
Okay, so antibiotics would be the treatment route for Cyclospora?
It is. Some people, they can resolve it on their own, but it is recommended that an antibiotic be given because it can reoccur in the body as well. So you want to try to get rid of it if you can.
Now, have you seen any of these cases here in East Texas?
I have not personally seen any.
Okay. Well, that's definitely very good. Are there any other tips that you have for us maybe during summertime to take extra precautions with maybe our fruit and produce?
Always washing your hands before handling anything fresh or any kind of food. Washing your hands before and after meals, washing your fruits and vegetables, washing your utensils well between foods.
Well, these are all some tips I could definitely use because I'm very messy. Is there a website that we can go for more information?
A lot of times the county extension offices are good resources. Also, the Texas Health Department is a good resource as well.
Well, thank you so much for stopping by.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, well, coming up right here on East Texas Live, we'll hear how some generous East Texans are helping people in Africa finally see again.
And later, the Bo Bergdahl scandal is just getting started.